I'm usually a pretty well thought out person, but this week I have no idea what I'm doing. Welcome back to Stone Post Outdoors. This week I'm going to be building a pavilion. We're going to see what happens. I drew it out on graph paper and it's just a rectangle. I don't know. I've got wood. I've got a hammer and nails. I guess we'll see what happens. So I'm reusing my 2x4s that I used as temporary braces on the dock. I've got some of these 4x4 posts and some 10-foot 2x6s and 10-foot 2x4s. My plan is to, I guess, just nail some stuff together and see what happens. So let's get to it. So it turns out just randomly building stuff isn't a good idea. So I got my walls up, didn't like it, took them back down. Now I put them back up, went back to the drawing board, came up with a better idea. And now we're about at where I was before I took them down. So we've got a better idea what we're doing now. So now I just need to put up the rest of these 2x6s like I've got there on the back. I need to do another one in the back, 2 in the front there, and that'll kind of tie all the tops together. And then I guess I need to do some kind of corner braces on the sides here. So that's kind of my goal for today. Since I used 2x6s on my outside edges, I need to notch this board out to go around that 2x6 because the rest of my rafters are 2x4s. So I'm just going down 2 inches over 1.5 inches, and I'll cut out that little corner so that it can fit up and around the 2x6, kind of like that. This is just a temporary screw that I'm putting in here to hold up the 2x6 as I screw it into the 4x4 wall while I'm working by myself. And it's also windy and it keeps blowing my camera over. I went through, added some bracing on the corner, added all my roof joist, all these hurricane ties. Now I'm kind of taking away some of the bracing that I had. Those boards that were coming down, took those out. These horizontal boards, I'm moving that. And I'm going to build like a bar top here. So that's kind of the top of my bar. And then I'll put like a 2x8 or something across the top. Then I'm going to build some benches. So I'm going to set this board at my height that I need my benches at. And then I think I'm going to call it a night. So I've got the roof all done, all screwed down. Frame is all done. I came in and added these 2 solar lights on the ends here. I built this bench and put the deck top on and added another 2x4 across the back there. So that's really sturdy now. We we got some more railroad ties. So we put those all the way around the perimeter, and they're screwed into these back posts, and same thing with the rebar hammered in there. But those are all the way around. I think I'm gonna add some lattice, some gutters, and I've got this string of party lights to hang up. They're also solar powered. So I'm gonna get those hung up. Two updates. One, the frog eggs hatched. If you see all those little black specks, those are all tadpoles in there. Second, the plants that I put in here, the cattail has already shot up another shoot. Fiber optic plant has got some shoots coming up. The creeping Jenny it's hanging in there. Bunch of tadpoles. And this arrowhead plant, you can kind of see the roots in there. It has already shot up another sprout. If you look closely down there, there's actually a dragonfly nymph emerging. It's actually a damselfly, to get technical, but lots of good growth at the pond happening. Bunch of fish under the dock. Well, that's going to do it for this video. Remember to like and comment what you think I need to add out here. Some kind of grill or something. I've got a little fire pit, so we've got that. Thank you guys for tuning in, and we'll see you next week.